All right, for this first problem, we're spinning two spinners. So it's asking us to find the generic area model. So we could, when we first spin the spinner, we could get an I, which is 1/2, a U, which is 1/6, or an A, which is 1/3. So I listed all the possible outcomes on the first spinner, including their probabilities. And then for the second spinner, it's either T, which is 1/4, or F, which is 3/4. In the last lesson, I noticed a lot of you made the assumption that since there were 3 rows, they were all equally likely. But you have to write the probabilities next to them because you can see in this one, they're not all equal segments. All right, so now I want to find the area of this rectangle. To find the area of the rectangle, I'm going to do base times height. So 1/4 times 1/6. So this would spell IT, and the probability of that would be 1/8. This would be UT. The probability of that is 1/24. And then AT, which probability would be 1/12. All right, so I'm just putting the two letters together because we're spinning two spinners and we're seeing what word we could spell. Okay, so if the two letters form an English word, you win. Otherwise, I would win. All right, so now this would be IF. And I would multiply those probabilities. So that would be 3/8. And then UF would be 3/24. And now when I add up all these probabilities together, what should they equal? What should they equal when I add all the probabilities together? They should always add up to 1. Okay, remember probability is between 0 and 1. And when I spin the spinner, something's going to happen. So when I add all these probabilities up together, I should get 1. Very good. All right, so let's see what words, which boxes spell words. So we have it, which is 1/8, at, which is 1/12, if, which is 3/8. So 3 of those. Now, this or this or this would work for you to win. So the probability of you guys winning, so it's spelling a word, would be, I want to add 1/8 plus 3/8 plus 1/12, which would be 7/12 or 7/12, 0.58 or 58%. Is this game fair? So 58% of the time you would win, making it 42% of the time that I would win. So is this game fair? No, for the game to be fair, there should be an equal chance of winning. Okay, so if we played 100 times, who do you think would win more often? This is the probability that you would win versus the probability that I would win. So who do you think would win more often, you or your teacher? You would win more often. Can you be sure this would happen? No, probability is the chance of something happening. It's not certain